Hi, today's video is another unboxing, so if you'd like to know what's in this box and in this bag, which is the right bag, which is a gift from T, thank you dear, just stick around. So, if you saw my last video, you would know that I opened the wrong box and it was definitely not this cute bag from Pink Butterfly Girl, otherwise known as T. But I'm gonna open it now because I'm dying to know what it is, which is definitely not. Just watch the last video to the end. You can just fast forward to the end and you'll see where it was something that I thought it was. A lovely card. Oh, it's a thank you note. I won't read the note. She's super sweet. Thank you, T. Oh my. Girl, you did not have to. It is. She knows I don't wear lipstick. Well, I won't say won't, but I very seldom wear lipstick, and it is a lip gloss. You know, she had 712. And let me back that up. I swear, every Chanel lip gloss she gets, I feel the need to copy her. And a Saint Laurent. Is this a mirror? Oh, it's a compact mirror. I don't want to blind you. Oh, it's lovely. Thank you so much. That is so thoughtful of you. You're awesome. Thank you, T. And you know I'm going to love this. Let's see. Perfect. I already knew it. Anything that looks good on her will look cute on me. That is perfect. Thank you so very much. Okay, and now I've had this for a few days, and well, actually just one day, and I just could not open it yesterday. And maybe I'll fast forward through this part. Okay, so I know that I have been off Team Gucci for about a year and a half, and I'm sure you all remember the sweater fiasco, and it left a bad taste in my mouth. You know, my friend Angie was like, come on, get back on board. Will, Chi-Chi, Kim, everybody else was like, come on, get back on board. And I was like, Then my friend Angie, she didn't even tell me she was getting this, but she unboxed it, and I was like, dang it, I'm back on Team Gucci. But no, I have been back for a while, but I was just, just trying to find the right item and the right piece. And I messaged someone on Instagram and asked them, she's local, and I asked her who her SA was at Gucci, because the person I used before was non-responsive, and I never felt like they were that good of an SA anyway, because sometimes I would message her and it would be like 4 or 5 days and she still wouldn't get back, and I have to message her again. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't see this, or just, just shenanigans basically. So I asked this person, I didn't ask her if I could say her name, but I asked her if I could have her SA's contact number, and she turned me on to her contact. And I will say top-notch customer service. Everything from texting me photos of her wearing the bag and holding the bag, showing me what's on sale via text, saying, hey, what time can you meet me there, or whatever it is. And she was awesome. That's my new Gucci girl, definitely. So, what was that? Oh, how cute! I hope that you don't know what it is, or they are, by the box. super cute Gucci bag. And plenty of bubble wrap, just in paper. That's the way I like it. If you know where I work, you know I'm adamant about things being wrapped well. So, super cute. So let's do the big one first. I'm sure this is just my receipt. Yeah, I'm sure it's just receipt information. And another thing I liked about her was she rang me up and sent me an invoice, and I just paid online, and then she shipped it to me, and I also still was able to get the Hawaii pricing, because Gucci is either 20 or 25% less in Hawaii. And although they had a price increase, both my items did not go up in price, so I was grateful for that. Super cute pink ribbon, very nice. Sorry if this one's taking a little bit longer, so I normally like to cut to the chase on my items. Cute, cute, cute. And to copy my girl Angie, but in blue, I got the Gucci Super Mini. Isn't she cute? This is a cute little mini bag. Ooh. That is such a cute bag. Oh, it's tiny. It's cute. I like it. I like it. I seem to be on a mini bag kick right now, but it's cute. I really like it. Has a little heart in the back. You know, I hear people grumble about that heart all the time. And yeah, I do wish it was maybe a pocket back there, but if you're looking on my hip, you know, what do I care? So that's that. Oh, I forgot the most important part. There we go. Smell test. It smells gorgeous, just like I knew it would. And then my second edition is because if you know me, I love the matchy-matchy. The card holder to match. And they are perfect together. So I couldn't get one without the other. And this will be my first Gucci in, wow, years. It's been years since I bought anything Gucci. So thank you for your time. Thanks for watching. Oh, almost forgot. I forgot to do my bag of the day. The Louis Vuitton can bag is my bag of the day, and I'm gonna switch to my Super Mini. And this is just a Michael Kors puff. And I was never a puff girl. I always thought they reminded me of a hamster somehow. I was never a puff girl until my friend gifted me one, and it's like a pink and blue. It's over there. And that made me a puff girl. Well, I wouldn't say a puff girl, because this is the only other one I have, but it made me want one, another color. So I might be becoming a puff girl. Maybe this will be my only one, but we'll see. So inside, mini pochette, card holder. Chi twisted my arm. My key clay. I actually won this in one of those Insta raffles. You know how they were going around a few years ago? A friend of mine messaged me and said, hey, how do you enter? And we kind of entered together just so I could show her how to enter. And I won. Lucky me. She wasn't thrilled, but I won. Business card from, oh, I need to hang on to that card. The lip gloss that I'm wearing now, which is 712. T is an arm twister. And because I was in the mall today returning something, I slid into Louis Vuitton and got 2 perfume samples. One is Afternoon Swim, and the other one is, I won't even say it, it's Heures D' Absence. If you cannot see it, it smells, it's good. I think T mentioned this one today. I was watching one of her videos, Pink Butterfly Girl. I'm sure you're watching her already, but she mentioned this one and I grabbed a sample and I like it. I'm gonna have to wear it tomorrow and see if I want to get a bottle or not. So there we go. That was the contents of my purse. And then I am definitely going to be rocking this cute baby tomorrow. So you'll see it on my IG bag of the day. And thanks for watching. I appreciate your time. Have a great week. Be kind to one another. And just show each other some love. Why not? Thanks.